Key Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel Keen, and today, you see it in the title, I'm going to be talking about Robert Benjamin's mentorship course for TikTok and how it benefited me and my music, man. So please stick around, stay tuned. I'm going to tell y'all if it's worth it or not. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Fade that like amongst we a movement, boy. Let's get it. Okay, man. So I know why y'all came to this video. I know exactly why y'all came to this video, and I'm not finna sugarcoat nothing. I'm not finna beat around the bush. I'm not finna go here or there with it. I'm gonna get straight to the point and let you guys know. But if you want to stick around for the video, please do, because I literally graded his course in 5 different levels of criteria, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I think it might or might not be worth it. But like I said, for the timestamps, for the people that's watching this video that want to just get straight to the point, yes, it is definitely worth it in terms of investing in Robert Benjamin's TikTok mentorship course. But I'm gonna tell you why. Now, it's not niche specific, right? So if you are in music or if you are in whatever, it doesn't matter. If you want to grow on TikTok, it's beneficial, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Let me explain my story first. My name is Emmanuel Keen, and I am a musician / audio engineer, of course, as you guys see in the previous videos, but I am a musician / artist. So I decided, yo, I'm not all the way there in terms of my fans yet. I'm kind of rocking, you feel me? But I'm not all the way up. I'm not Drake or J. Cole level, you feel me? So I said, you know what? There has to be other ways that I can hack attention, all right? There has to be some type of way that I can build my fan base and keep growing, right? I was doing public interviews and I was doing pranks and stuff like that on YouTube previously. As soon as I posted my public interviews, my pranks, all of that stuff, I went up. Like I went from 0 to 100,000 followers fast within like a month. It was working out for me. It definitely was working out for me, and I'm like, all right, this is cool. But then I decided, you know what? I want to rebrand myself. I want to start music. I want to do music full time. So I deleted everything. I deleted all of my TikToks, right? Then decided to post music. I was posting music. I was getting maybe 2,000 to 3,000 views. It was cool. But I wasn't getting the millions and millions of views that I was getting when I was posting my public interviews and my pranks. So I'm like, yo, what's going on? I have all these followers. Why am I not growing? One of my homies had hit me up and said, yo, I noticed that your views are not as much as what they used to be. What's going on? I'm like, bro, I have no idea. He said, well, I've been looking into this dude. His name is Robert Benjamin. He teaches people how to grow on TikTok, this, that, and the third. I'm like, all right, cool. Let me see what's going on with him. So I go on YouTube, I look at his videos, and I saw he has credibility, bro. He knows people that work at TikTok. That's number one. And number two, he's helped thousands and thousands of people grow from 0 to 1 million followers, literally overnight. That's not even an exaggeration. Well, I don't know if it might be hyperbole, but it's somewhere close. Like he pretty much made people TikTok famous overnight, bro. So I'm like, all right, cool. If this is what he's doing, I'm trying to get on that exact same wave. But I'm kind of frugal. You feel me? Your boy ain't trying to spend all that money. You know what I'm saying? This mentorship course was for $297, and if you add tax to that, that's $365. No, you feel me? That's way too expensive for you, boy. So I waited till he had a sale, and yes, he had a 50% off sale. If you sign up for his little text message thing, he had a little sale going on. So I'm like, all right, cool. I got that course for half off, which was dope. He literally sent me everything that he sent me. Went through everything, right? Ended up, I think now I'm coming up on 113K, and I could have grown a lot more. I was dealing with personal problems and everything like that, but he helped me grow actually close to 10,000 to 11,000 followers. And long story short, it's very, very beneficial to invest in his course. And I'm gonna tell you the 5 different levels of criteria that I graded his TikTok mentorship course in, because I said, yo, how am I going to explain this and have it resonate with my audience? And I just went on Google and I said, okay, how do administrators and principals and everybody, like, you know, the board of directors within the school administration, how do they rate teachers when they do their course? And it's literally through a course evaluation sheet. You feel me? So I just took that criteria and applied it to this video, man. So please, I hope it's transparent. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about, and let's get into it. So the first level of criteria is relatability. Is his course relatable to you, your situation, and what you want to do in terms of doing TikTok? And yes, it absolutely is, because he creates a personalized plan for you, right? You invest in the course, pay the money. He then asks you a series of questions as to what you want to do and how you want to grow on TikTok. Then he sends you a personalized plan for you specifically to grow. So relatability, 5 out of 5. Period. 5 out of 5. Relatability, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5.
What?
5 out of 5. It definitely works out in your favor when it comes down to your own thing and what you want to do in terms of the TikTok course. Now, communication, second level of criteria. Communication, 5 out of 5. And I'm going to tell you why it's 5 out of 5. So, like I said before, he asks you a series of questions, right? He's going to analyze your data. He's going to analyze your analytics, what you're doing, what type of videos you're posting. He's going to look at the content that you've been posting. He's going to let you know whether or not you need to improve what you've been doing. And he's going to literally put it all out for you. Like, he's going to show you exactly what you need to do. That's number one. And number two, he's going to send you TikToks every single week. He's going to send you trending TikToks every single week. Because when it comes down to TikTok, you're not going to grow if you just keep on posting original content, and original content. You need to be doing what everybody else is doing. Point blank, period. If you're not doing what everybody else is doing, then you're not going to grow. Simple. So he's going to send you trends that you can replicate or spin in some way, form, or manner so that you can make it your own, but you're still following the trend, which is how I grew. And he's going to send you that, and he's going to say, yo, this is what you need to do in order to grow. That's number two. Number three, he's going to let you know what's wrong. Period. Like I said before, he's going to keep it real with you. He's going to say, hey, your content is trash. Well, he's not going to say your content is trash, but he say, yo, you might need to improve your lighting. You might need to improve this. You might need to improve your angles, your transitions, whatever it is. He's going to analyze your profile, and he's going to let you know what you need to work on. That's number three. Number four, he follows up with you with your emails. So I remember when I emailed him and I kind of got a little antsy because he wasn't getting back to me like right away. And you got to think about it though, bro. He has over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, 20,000 followers on Instagram, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere in that range. He has a lot of followers on TikTok. You got to think every single one of those people are looking at him and what he's doing, right? And since he's offering this mentorship course, you got to think even 10% of that is like 10,000. Or like 5,000, you know? So there's a lot of people that's going to be in his mentorship course. He's not going to get to you right away, but I promise you, he will get back with you. And that is something that I definitely commend him on. Communication, 5 out of 5. Now, content in terms of the TikTok course itself. I will say that there's a little bit of drawback from that. I'm kind of nitpicking a little bit, but there's a little bit of a drawback from that, and I'm going to explain why. I give his content a 4 out of 5. And the reason why is because with his mentorship course, he gives you the exclusive rights to see a series of videos that he's made for those people in his TikTok course, right? Those videos are pretty much predicated towards people that are just now starting TikTok. If you're an experienced influencer, if you're experienced with being in front of the camera, if you're experienced with talking in front of people and all this other extra out stuff, then those videos might not be very relevant to you because you already have experience with it. If you're just starting off, yes. And there are some hidden gems within his TikTok course, the exclusive TikTok course that you could take away from. But holistically, if you've already had experience being in front of the camera, it's not really beneficial. And also the length of the videos that he has are kind of short. They're not really that, I'm thinking we're going to get an in-depth, intricate look on all this different type of stuff with the videos. Not really, but like I said before, they are beneficial if you're just now starting off. You actually get more content out of the videos that he posts on YouTube, from my humble opinion. But like I say, that shouldn't deter you from getting his course, because I'm thinking about reinvesting, to be honest with you. So content, 4 out of 5, right? Now, fourth level of criteria, the level of education, right? Are you going to learn from this experience? Are you going to learn? Yes, absolutely. You are definitely going to leave his mentor.
You want you get him to do?
You stupid.
They're not.
You're going to leave his TikTok course knowing something. You are going to know something. You are going to have a better idea of how TikTok works. He actually posts updates on the TikTok algorithm every other week, right, on his channel. So make sure that you tune into that. Don't stop. Keep going. Do not stop. Keep going. You will learn from it. He'll teach you about hashtags. He'll teach you about watch time. He'll teach you about what content to post moving forward. And I promise you, once you find out what works for you, keep on posting it, bro. And or lady, you feel me? Keep on posting it. Keep on posting it, man, because that's what's gonna get you to grow. That's what's gonna get you to get money, because TikTok is paying people now. I definitely recommend it to people. Level of education, 5 out of 5. Now, the fifth and final level of criteria is the ability to understand his course. Because you know when teachers be teaching, they be like, you feel me? This is how you do this and this is how you do that. And you have no idea what they talking about. You don't know what they saying, bro. They using all these big words and they don't know how to explain stuff and they don't know how to this, that, and the third. And you like, bruh, that's why I'm failing your class. Listen, okay? Everything that he says is very simple. All you have to do is listen. That's it, bro. That's it. All you got to do is listen. Everything that he explains is very, very simple. It's not difficult to gauge. He keeps it simple. He tells you exactly what you need to do when he sends you the personalized plan. But you have to work, okay? You have to work. There's no other way around it. You have to work. You can't be lazy. He's not going to force you to post, okay? He might send you emails and say, yo, make sure that you capitalize on this. Make sure that you do this. Make sure that you do that. But he's not going to force you to work. You have to do it yourself. If you decide not to do it yourself, that's your fault. That's on you. You don't want to make it. You don't want to get your family out the hood. Obviously, if you don't want to work, make sure that you continue to do the work. Make sure you put the dedication, the time, effort, and the work ethic into it. And I promise you, it's going to benefit you. You have to hold yourself accountable. You must hold yourself accountable. Like I said, with me, I could have grown a lot more. I put the blame on me. If I didn't deal with the personal problems that I had within my life, it might have been a little bit different. But because I was dealing with those personal problems, I wasn't able to, perform. I gained 10,000 followers from his course. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not mad at it. In conclusion, I definitely think it is a super and a major benefit to invest in this course. And my whole thing is, what's the worst that can happen? It's a money back guarantee, okay? You invest in his course. He says money back guaranteed, no questions asked, for a reason. He says that for a reason. So put it in this perspective. If you invest in this course, right, and you decide that you just don't want to do nothing, you don't want to post no videos, you don't want to do what he's telling you to do after he's put so much work into helping you grow and helping you out, if you decided that you don't want to do it, he's going to give you your money back. Point blank, period. What's the worst that can happen? It's a win-win situation. If you invest in his course, right, and you decide to put in the work, you decide to post and post and post and post, and then eventually grow and shoot up and get millions and millions of followers and a lot of money and all this other extra stuff, that's a benefit. If you decide not to do that, what do you lose? Nothing, because he gives you your money back. So I think holistically, it's a win-win situation. You can't lose from it. You literally can't lose from it. I suggest the course wholeheartedly. I definitely believe that it's beneficial to, what you got going on. And to everybody that has a dream out there that wants to make something happen and you don't want to put forth the money in order to make it happen or the work to make it happen, then stop dreaming. Period. So holistically, if I were to give it a whole grade, it would be a 29 out of 30, which is an A, of course. I definitely do recommend his course. If you guys got anything else that you guys want me to cover, please comment down below. If you guys got any questions about this mentorship course, hit me up in my DMs. It definitely was a benefit to me. I grew over 10,000 followers from my music. I gained listenership with my Spotify. I gained streams. It was just overall a tremendous benefit for me, bro. And I'm going to keep on going. So I appreciate everybody. Thank y'all for tuning in. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Gang.